In this video, you will see how to increase the font size of Eclipse IDE so that code will be easy to read. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open the IDE. Once it is opened, then we have to click on Eclipse icon or menu, then it will be expanded. From here, we have to go settings. Just click over there and the settings window or preferences window will be appeared. From the left side, there we'll see couple of menus and sub-menus are there for each of them. I'm going to choose general and I'm going to click this arrow to be expanded. And once it is expanded, it will bring this type of options. From here, we see appearance. We just need to click again to expand it. And now we'll see two items. We have to choose the first item, colors and fonts. We just need to click here and right side we'll see this type of options are available. Now at the beginning there is basic. Again we need to expand it by clicking this arrow and it will be expanded. Now we have to scroll almost at the end of this scroll bar, not this bar, you can say like basic. We have to come at the end. So here is text font. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be selected. Now here you will see the preview. This is the default stage of this font size. Like right now it is 12 and this is the font name and it is looking like this. To increase or decrease the size of this text, we just need to click edit button. I'm going to click edit. It will be open new window. From here we'll see one small box is there. It is the font size box. If we click here, it will bring this type of options. From here we have to choose the font size which we are going to use. So right now I'm using 12. Now I'm going to make it like 18. Once we choose it, then we just need to press this close button and here you will see the preview. That means right now it is using 18 font size. Same way, if you want to change the font style or other font, you can also do from here, but I'm not going to change any other thing. I'm going to close it and once it is done, then we have to choose this one, apply, and very shortly you will see the fonts increase. See here all the fonts increased. Now click apply and close and that's it. In this way we can easily increase or decrease the font size of Eclipse IDE.